Welcome back everyone, and in this video we'll explore the power of list and tuples in Python. List and tuples are versatile data structures that allow us to manage collection of data efficiently. We'll cover various operations, slicing techniques, and advanced functionalities of list and tuples. So let's dive in. List and tuples are both sequence types in Python, but they have some key differences. Lists are mutable, meaning their elements can be modified, added, or removed. Tuples, on the other hand, are immutable, meaning they cannot be changed once created. Let's start by examining lists and their capabilities. Creating and modifying list, it is one of the most used things from Python, and it's very straightforward. We can define fruits like in the past videos. We can write apple, banana, and let's say here car or something else. I don't know. You can get an element from this like we used in the strings video. So you can write fruits of one, and we can print it. One second, I spell bad here. Banana. So this is 0, 1, 3. We can use this type of notation, for example, if we want to get the last element from the last element. We can use this and we get banana. We can use this to get from banana until the last element. And basically you can use this as we used in the strings video, because actually in Python you can write with strings as you work with list. So you can do almost the same things. Now let's initialize an element from a string. For example, I want to change this with an orange, and I can print it. So we change this and we have orange. We can append something to the dictionary, like here. For example, I want to append a grape. It put it to the end and we have grape. You can remove something from the dictionary, and let's say you want to remove banana. One second, guys. So yeah, yes, this. So yeah, we remove apple. These are the basic way in which you can work with strings. Are more function, you can also always see the methods and the function from Python using dir. So we have append, clear, copy, count, and all this. Sort to sort functions. Pop actually is popping out the last element, append is appending the last element, and pop is actually getting the last element. Sort is sorting the string. So it's pretty straightforward. Now we can go over more into slicing. So for example, let's say I will build here a little bit bigger string list. Let's say 10, I think are enough. Now we can write numbers 2 until 6. And we get this. Now we can write in this way. And what happened? Basically, we get everything from 1, 3, 5, 7. We get the elements from two differences away. Basically, we get the uh, numbers that are two spaces away from each other. The third element is representing this. We can see something interesting using -1. And the list is printed in the inverse order from the last element to the first. Now let's dive into the tuples. Tuples are like lists, are immutable and cannot be modified after creation. Let's see how they can be built. Let's say we have a computer science student. His name is John, has 22 years, and study computer science. We can print student. You can't modify this tuple. So why you are using tuple? Why? Basically, tuples are useful when, for example, let's say we have a list and you want to get only the unique elements out of it. You can put it into a tuple, and if the element is already there, will not be written again. So you get all the unique elements out of that list. Or for example, the most common way to use tuples is when you use functions and return something, because you can use this. And we get actually three types like string, strings, and an int here, if I don't mistake. This is called unpacking, and you can print the individual values one by one. Let's go into advanced list operations. Lists provide a range of advanced operations that enhance their functionality. Let's explore some of them. Here I will write an example like the one with the numbers. Go back. And we can use sum of numbers, for example like this. One second, delete that. And we give 55. We can get the average numbers of the sum. We can do sum and then get the len of numbers. As I said, the list work as a string. So basically all the function from the strings are available here. Can do this, 55 and 5.5. Now let's sort this list. We can do this by using sorted of numbers. So yeah, we sorted the numbers, but they are already sorted. So we can put here, let's say, I don't know, uh, 12, and watch this, and it's sorted. Again, if you want to know more about this, you can always use dir to understand, or you can use the Python documentation that is all on their website, python.org. These are just a few examples of powerful features and operation available for lists and tuples in Python. By leveraging these capabilities, you can efficiently manage collection of data and perform complex tasks. So this concludes our tutorial on managing collection of data with list tuples in Python. We cover creating and modifying list, slicing, and accessing elements, working with tuples, and explore some advanced list operations. In the next video, I think we'll dive into list comprehension, and you see there are more interesting things about lists. And then we'll dive into dictionaries. So thank you guys for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, and see you next time. Bye.